Hello, my little pickles. Granny here, and today we're gonna learn animals with the roar and roll animal train. Are you ready? Here we go. Our first animal is a hippo. Do you know where a hippo lives? They live in the water. Do you like to swim? Granny likes to swim a lot. Let's take a ride on the train. Are you ready? There you go. Hold on. Oh, isn't that fun? Granny likes to ride on a train too. Hello, Mr. Elephant. You got your own car on the train. How lucky is that? I'm gonna turn your gears and see what you do. Look, he turns his head. Isn't that neat? Woo! How fun! Our next animal is a tiger. Do you know what a tiger says? They go roar. This little guy is cute. He looks just like a cat. Look at this. That's a zebra. They look like a horse with stripes. They live out in Africa. Our next animal is a bear. Look at that. He's got a job to do. He's gonna give the zebra and the tiger a ride. Let's watch. Here we go. Woo! How fun is that? Our next animal is a lion. I think I'm gonna call you Leo. Are you ready to take a ride on the train? Here we go. Now let's see what this train can do. Here we go.
All aboard! I'm all geared up and ready to learn. Press a button, move the slider, or turn the gears to learn more. Piano. Trumpet. Flute. Learning is so much fun. Park. The piano has white and black keys. You use your mouth to blow air to play the trumpet. You use your mouth to blow air to play the flute. Learning is so much fun. Mountains. The piano makes the sound. The trumpet makes the sound. The flute makes the sound. Learning is so much fun.
Well, that's all I have for you today. Did you like learning about animals and the train? If you did, leave me a comment below. Goodbye, my little pickles. Don't forget to subscribe.